Kiss me, slap me, hug me, or walk out. Ano ba pangalan niya ate?
Angelica po.
At ako po si Boy Nota at si...
Peppa Black.
I-rate nyo lang po kung anong yung panggagawin. Okay.
My girl's in the next room. Sometimes I wish she was in. I guess we never really move on. It's really good to hear your voice saying my name. It sounds so sweet. Coming from the lips of an angel. Hearing those words, it makes me weak. And I never want to say goodbye. But girl, you make it hard to be faithful.
So,
The
yun.
lips of an angel.
Gusto kong yampas sa mukha mo to.
Kiss me, slap me, hug me, or walk out.
Thank you po.
Ikaw na nga ang hinahanap
Maso na ako, gag!
ng puso.
Sige ate. Baka may gusto ko po i-shoutout ate.
Elizabeth Lisada po.